Hello, my name is Jodhani Vanshi Devji. My roll number is 41. My topic is perfect number. Index. What is number? Perfect number. History. Even perfect number. Odd perfect number. Unproven math fact in relation to perfect number. Which professions might make use of perfect numbers? Tips and tricks. Important notes. How many perfect numbers are there? The quite interesting unsolved problem uses. What is number? A number is mathematical object used to count, measure and label. Decimal number system. Real number minus infinity to plus infinity. Imaginary number under root minus 2, under root minus 3, etc. Rational number any fractions, integers, etc. Irrational numbers pi, e, under root 2, under root 3, etc. Complex numbers 2 plus under root minus 2, 3 plus under root minus 2, etc. Fractions 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, etc. Integers, non-decimal numbers. Transcendental number, pi, e, etc. Surds, under root 2, under root 3, etc. Negative integer, minus infinity to minus 1. Whole number, 0 to positive integer. Natural number, 1 to positive integer. Prime number, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. Even number 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Perfect number 6, 28, etc. So who is perfect? Perfect number. In number theory, a perfect number is positive integer that is equal to the sum of its positive divisor, excluding the number itself. For example, for instance, 6 has divisor 1, 2 and 3, excluding itself, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Perfect number table. Prime p, Mersenne prime 2 raised to p minus 1. Perfect number 2 raised to p minus 1 into 2 raised to p minus 1. For prime p equal to 2, Mersenne prime is 3 and perfect number is 6. For p equal to 3, Mersenne prime is 7 and perfect number is 28. For prime p equal to 5, Mersenne prime is 31 and perfect number is 498. For prime p equal to 7, Mersenne prime is 127 and perfect number is 8128, and so on. History. First picture is Euclid, second picture is Nicomaus and third picture is Philo of Alexandria. In about 300 before Christ, Euclid saw that if 2 raised to p minus 1 is prime, then 2 raised to p minus 1 into 2 raised to p minus 1 is perfect. The first 4 perfect numbers were the only ones known to early Greek mathematics, and the mathematician Nicomaus noted 8128 as early as around Anno Domini 100. In modern language, Nicomaus states without proof that every perfect number is of the form 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2 raised to n minus 1, where 2 raised to n minus 1 is prime. He seems to be unaware that n itself has to be prime. Philo is followed by Origen and by Didymus the Blind, who adds that observation that there are only 4 perfect numbers that are less than 10,000. Even perfect number. Euclid proved that 2 raised to p minus 1 into 2 raised to p minus 1 is an even perfect number whenever 2 raised to p minus 1 is prime. For example, the first 4 perfect numbers are generated by the formula 2 raised to p minus 1 into 2 raised to p minus 1 with p a prime numbers as follows. For p equal to 2, its value is 6. For p equal to 3, its value is 28. For p equal to 5, its value is 496. For p equal to 7, its value is 8128. Odd perfect number. It is unknown whether there is any odd perfect numbers, though various results have been obtained. Euler stated whether there are any odd perfect number is a most difficult question. More recently, Karl Pomerance has presented a heuristic argument suggesting that indeed no odd perfect number should exist. Unproven math fact in relation to perfect numbers. All known perfect numbers end in 6 or 28, but again that may not be true for perfect numbers after the 51 that have been found. It is said that perfect numbers are infinite, but since only 51 have been found, this can be proven. Which professions might make use of perfect numbers? Chartered accountant, financial manager, research scientist in maths, operational researcher, software tester. Tips and tricks. The kth perfect number has k digit. All perfect numbers are even. It is still unknown whether odd perfect number exists or not. All perfect numbers end in 6 and 8 alternatively. The sum of all divisor of perfect numbers gives the result as twice the perfect numbers. Important notes. First, perfect numbers are the positive integer which are the sum of its proper divisor. Second, the smallest positive integer is 6. Third, 2 raised to k minus 1 into 2 raised to k minus 1 is a perfect number where k is prime. Fourth, the only square free perfect number is 6. How many perfect numbers are there? It is still unknown whether there are infinite perfect number or not, but till now we have 51 perfect numbers. The quite interesting Philo of Alexandria in his 1st century book on the creation mentions perfect numbers, claiming that the world was created in 6 days and the moon orbits in 28 days because 6 and 28 are perfect. First picture is world was created in 6 days and second picture is moon orbits in 28 days. Unsolved problem. How many even perfect numbers are there? More precisely, are there infinitely many or finitely many? In the latter case, just now, how many are there? Are there any odd perfect numbers? Uses. We need the natural number to count, we need the real number to measure, and we need the complex numbers to guarantee that every quadratic equation has solution. If some mathematician can create a nifty bit of theoretical mathematics, eventually some other mathematician will find a nifty use for those ideas. Thank you.